In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 websites that you can use to start making $100 per day working from the comfort of your home. I've been there at that exact place where all I wanted is to earn $100 every day and I will be okay. If that's your problem right now, I'm going to help you in this video. So let's dive into this and see the website number 1. Website number 1, Upwork.com. On this website, you can go and hire the talent that you need with the flexibility that you want. On Upwork.com, you can go and hire people to help you in areas like web development, mobile development, design, writing, customer service, or if you need any type of writing job, you can go to Upwork and find someone to help you with your writing. For example, if you have a website and you are posting blogs on your website, you can go on Upwork and hire someone to help you write your blog post. But the purpose of this video is to help you make 100 a day using this website. So instead of coming to this website to hire people to help you do your jobs, you can be the one that people will come and hire to help them do whatever they want to accomplish. So if you have skills in writing or in sales and marketing, you have skills in data science or analytics, or you have skills in engineering or architecture, or if you can do customer service or any design work or web or mobile software development, you can come to this website and create your account. And very easily, you can start receiving requests from people who want help in your area. I've been using Upwork.com for so long, especially to write my blog posts, because writing a blog post is something that I find to be time consuming, and most of the time I go to Upwork to hire someone to help me write my blog post. So if you are a writer, if you know how to write blog posts, or if you have any talent that you can put on the market, you can go to Upwork.com, you create your profile, and you start making money using that website. Website number 2, Pinterest. Pinterest is seen by most people to be a social media, but in reality, Pinterest is a search engine. People go to Pinterest to search for specific things, and on Pinterest, you can go there, create your account, and be an affiliate for a product. And what you do is to pin on that website, and you relate your pin with the affiliate product that you are promoting. And if you don't know it, you will not send people directly to your affiliate website. You will have an opt-in page on which you will be collecting emails before you send people to your affiliate website. So that opt-in page is what you will relate to your pins on Pinterest, and you will start getting free traffic from Pinterest to your affiliate offer. Website number 3, ClickBank.com. ClickBank is one of the top premier internet retailer, one of the best affiliate program out there. And what it does is this: you can go to this website and create a free account and become an affiliate for product and services on this website. And you have so many niches you can choose from, whether you are in education, e-marketing, employment, fiction, food, wine and cooking, games, or health and fitness, home and garden, languages, anything that you want, you can find it on this website, and you become an affiliate of those products and services that you will start promoting on the internet and be able to make at least 100 every day working from your home. I made a video that shows you how you can create your account on clickbank.com, how you can choose your product, and how you can promote your product. And I will leave the link in the description of this video, and you can click on that to see exactly how you can go on clickbank.com, create your account, and start choosing products that you will promote on the internet and make at least 100 every day working from home. Website number 4, Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is a website similar to Upwork.com. This is a website on which you can go to hire people to help you with voiceover, translation, logo design, article, and blog posts. And if you want to make money using this website, all you will do is to go to this website and you click on become a seller and you create your account. And when you create your account, you will specify the type of service that you want to get paid for. If you have skills in logo design, or if you have skills in writing articles or blog posts, or if you have skills in translation, you can go to this website, you create your account, and you can start receiving orders from people who want help to do specific things in their businesses. If you have skills creating WordPress websites or any social media skill that you may have and that is valuable, you can go to this website and help people with all those activities. There are so many of them. I don't know what your skills are, but if you can do graphic and design, writing and translation, digital marketing, video and animation, music and audio programming and technology, and the list goes on and on, you can go to fiverr.com and create your account. And from there, you will start receiving orders. And that's how you will be able to start making $100 every day working from home. Website number 5, youtube.com, which is this platform on which you are. I will not say this enough. This is where I drive the majority of my traffic from. And all you will do is to create a YouTube channel, which is free. And as I showed you with clickbank.com, you can go on clickbank.com, become an affiliate of clickbank.com. And when you create your YouTube channel, you will start making videos talking about the product or the service that you are promoting. It could be a review. And in the description of your videos, you will leave the link that will take people to your affiliate website where you will be able to make those sales. I know so many people, so many channels on youtube.com who are an affiliate of product and services, and all they do is to review those products. And in the description of the videos, you will see the link that will take people to their affiliate website. And that's how they are making tons and tons of money being an affiliate. And the way it is right now, I can even tell you that if you cannot get on camera, if you cannot make videos, if you cannot do video marketing, it will be difficult for you to stand out. Video marketing is very important, and the platform that you can use for free to do that is youtube.com. That's what I do, and I've never been happier in my life. So if you are interested, and I know you are, and if you want to grow faster, start using youtube.com to grow your business. Website number 6, jvizu.com. This website is similar to clickbank.com, where you can go and create your affiliate account. And all you will do is to become an affiliate for products and services. But the good news is on jvizu.com, you can find products that will pay you 100% commission, which means that you sell the product and you keep all the money. jvizu.com is younger, but I can assure you interesting things are happening on that website. So if all you want to become is an affiliate, you can go to jvizu.com, and all you will do is to create a free account. It's free to become an affiliate, and you request to be an affiliate for different products and services depending on the niche in which you want to be, and you start making easy money working from home. Website number 7, textbroker.com. This website also is similar to Upwork.com, where you will go and create a free account and start helping people with any skill that you have. I know this website to be number 1 in blog writing. So if you come to this website, depending on what you want to do, if you need content, you want to hire someone, you click on that and you find who is the best talent to write your blog post for you. Or if you want to be a writer, if you want to help people with their blog posts, you can come to this website and you create your account and you start receiving orders from people who want help with their blog post. What's also good about this website is that you can open Google Doc and you use speech to text to write your blog post. All it does is when you turn speech to text on Google Doc, everything that you will be saying will be written down automatically by the software for you. So you will not spend a lot of time writing your blog post, but you will just talk and everything will be written down for you. All you will do is to revise everything, to correct the mistakes or change whatever you want to change, and you are done. That's how you will start making 100 a day using textbroker.com. As I just said, I love this website specifically for the content writing, and what you do is to come to this website if you have talent in writing a blog post to help people write their blog posts, and you get paid for that. With all that, I think you have an idea about how you can start making 100 a day working from home using all those websites. But if your ambition is not making just 100 a day and you want to create a business on the internet, a business that will be able to make you 6 figures a year, I will invite you to join my #1 recommended affiliate program. I will leave the link in the description for you, and when you click on that, you will go to a page where I will explain more what the business is about. I've tried so many things on the internet, and every time I refer people to these websites, I'm happy to do it, and I'm confident that they will go and find value inside that program. So if that is what you are interested in, if you don't want to settle for less, if you don't just want a few hundred every day and you want to make a fortune on the internet, you want to build a 6-figure business on the internet, the link will be in the description for you. That will be my #1 recommended program for you to join, and if you click on that link, you will see exactly what I mean. And I will also leave in the description of this video a link for you to download my new affiliate book. It's free. I will give it to you for free. All you will do is to enter your email address and I will send you the link to download the book for free. So I have you covered. I have my #1 affiliate program in the description of this video. And I also have my new affiliate book that I want to give you for free. The link is also in the description of this video. If you have all those 2 things, I know that you'll be successful on the internet if you do what it takes. This is it for today. If you like the video, go down and hit the thumbs up. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe to the channel. And remember to hit the notification bell so you get notified when I publish new content on this channel. I really appreciate your time. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.